Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to show you how we are going to measure the cylinder with the help of the Vernier Caliper. In the previous video, we have told you about the parts of the Vernier Caliper. For the newcomers, I am just giving you a little bit idea. There is the main scale and there is a vernier scale. Dear students, how we are going to take the measurement with the help of this Vernier Caliper along with the cylinder. This is the way to grip the cylinder in the Vernier Caliper. You can see like this. This is the way. You can see, or you can hold it with the, you can tight this screw. As you will tight this screw, it will not come out from there. See where I am going to fit this, or where I fit the cylinder into the two jaws. Now I am going to tell you what are the wrong reading when you are going to take. Suppose if you are going to fix the cylinder in this way. See, you can see there is a groove in the jar, the jaws, and there is a gap. When you are going to put the cylinder in between these two jars and there is a gap, so the reading will not be correct. So the most important thing, you will take the reading over here. You will take the reading in this way and you will tight from here. So you can see this is the right way. Now the most important thing, we have to take the two readings. The one is main scale reading and the second is vernier scale reading. So as we have fixed the cylinder into the jaws of our vernier caliper, and we have taken the reading of the main scale and we'll take the reading of a vernier scale. Now first I'm going to tell you the reading of main scale, which is about 2.6 centimeter, and now we are going to take the reading of vernier scale reading. Now you will tell me which line is very much clear or matching with the vernier scale line is matching with the main scale line. So could you please tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's almost 7 is overlapping, and it's 9. So we can say that the vernier scale reading is 9 millimeter. So we can say that the main scale reading is 2.6 centimeter and the vernier scale is 9 millimeter. In this way we can take the reading